Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to share some more and new updates of our Three.js Metaverse framework with you. Back then we already have built this giant virtual 3D shopping mall inside of Unreal Engine to showcase products in a new and interactive way and offer customers 24/7 premium customer support with our AI characters, so they are able to quickly find the right shop and product what they are looking for basically. But with the Three.js framework we brought that to the next level basically. Maybe not visually, since the graphics are really restricted in Three.js when you also wanted to run on phones or especially also on iPhones and all that stuff, but technically everyone can easily access it now without the need of like downloading anything. It's also working on cross-platform. If you want to shop over your phone or the laptop, everything will work there seamlessly, and it can also easily get integrated on any website now. With the Unreal Engine version back then we have high-end graphics, but hosting it web-based only was possible with pixel streaming, which can get quite expensive depending on the amount of users. And that's why we came up with this new framework here, which have yearly server costs of maybe like 300 or 400 euro, and then some small additional costs for the AI characters if they are needed. But let us dive in there to see what actually have changed. We set up a completely new 3D mall level which contains different floors, and every floor also then contains different stores you can then later explore. And all this later is easy to customize, and also new floors and stores easily can get added there over our web-based backend, in which we later also easily can upload the 3D models and products for the shop owners. Later they will also get access then to modify descriptions, titles or products if there's anything getting changed, like the price or something like that. If that's needed, they also get access and can easily adjust it. So all this is possible with the new backend we are currently also developing there. And we are also working on a new version of our AI characters actually, which will get even smarter and better. And in the last videos I already showed you VAPI AI, which enables us to have calls in real time, so you can actually talk with the AI characters like they are real humans. At the same time they can get connected to your database to learn more about your products, so they can recommend products there to your clients, or they can also handle customer support questions about how to use products, or maybe also could handle returns of products and all that stuff for you all in an automated way, since those AI characters also can get easily hooked up with Zapier or any other automation platform. So everything is possible here basically. Right now we are also working on the product inspection, but here you can also already see a quick demo how this is later going to look like. Of course many things here will change over the time. The products can get showcased here as 3D models in the store on those tables, so you can easily pick them up and 3D rotate them to see them from every angle, and you can also change the attributes like the colors or all that stuff basically. Of course also other products like complex machines or something like that also could get showcased there, and all that in a way that you maybe also can play or integrate animations there to visualize how the products are working, where you find the on and off button and like what it will do then that you see, and really understand like all the features of those products. And in the very near future we also planning to add AR support in there, which will get added very soon basically, so you can place for example a machine or something or furniture directly in your apartment, so you can directly see there how it works, and that you can also see if it fits in your apartment. And this is really the next level of shopping. But now you may still wonder, why is a virtual 3D mall like this needed? There are actually quite a lot of advantages you will have with a virtual 3D shop like this. Many brands don't stand out from the crowd anymore, and customers don't return even after buying something from your site, since your brand and website looks like all the other websites which are online there. Or many also sell their products over Amazon. It's one of the biggest marketplaces and you can get clients from there, but the problem there is that they will not come back and don't keep your brand or shop in mind in the long run. The only company which is getting remembered is Amazon. And like this giant is growing more and more. Or do you remember the shop or brand from which you just bought the last product on Amazon? I guess you already got the point there, and you really need to stand out from the crowd there to get more returning clients and clients in general, because you need to stand out from the crowd of other competitors in your market basically. Another point are the AI characters. I already mentioned a few things here, I guess, but you can easily offer 24/7 customer support to handle any issues your clients may have directly in an automated way, which will save you much time of your employees. And of course, those AI characters also can get set it up that they already pre-qualify your clients, for example, and take on orders. For example, the AI also could help me to configure my PC, and once I agree on the pricing and all that stuff, it could schedule a meeting with a sales guy in your company who take the final look with me over the configuration, and then only would need to offer some additional upsells or something like that, like extra gaming monitor or something like that. And this is of course also a huge time saver when clients already can get pre-qualified by the AI, so your sales team will have more time to handle the really qualified people basically and do the upsells there basically. Another huge problem many shops have are the returns. But why are people returning products? Most likely they expected something different there. But by showing them the product in 3D also in AR directly in their apartment, and by showing them also all the features and how it works with 3D animations, you can directly give them a great overview about the product and how it's working and all that stuff. And the AI character can also handle all questions which are maybe left to make sure that the products are really fitting for the client's requirements and all that stuff. So you can really make sure that what the clients are looking for is like what they will get, and it will fit basically. And like this also the amount of returns actually can get reduced quite a lot. Another big issue many shops have is that the attention span of people is going down more and more. That is something which we will see happening in the next years, or it's already happening right now, but in the next years it will get worse and worse basically. The attention span of people in general is going down so much due to social media and TikTok. And the average user already today only maybe spent around 15 seconds on your website, where you already maybe spent like 10k or more to set your website up. And that's actually quite sad, but the reality when you check the average watch time of your website on Google, for example, and on my 2D website it's actually quite similar, only like around 50 seconds, 1 minute or something like that. But with our virtual 3D offices, where we added gamification to really hook players, we was able to triple the watch time, and by integrating more features or more things you can explore in this office. Currently the office is quite small, quite a small space, and by just adding in some more content and all that stuff, I'm quite sure to also like triple it again or something like that. And like this we are finally able basically to show people more about our company and convince people that we are the perfect partner for the game development services or also virtual offices. And you most likely have similar issues that people only check out your e-commerce store for like 50 seconds or something like this, and in this time they are most likely don't directly find a product they are looking for, and then they go to the next website basically. So by integrating an AI character, you can directly guide them to the products they are looking for, and the gamification in the 3D mall, for example, will keep them hooked, since it's something they never saw before, and it's also something which will hook them, and they will talk about it with friends, so they maybe even recommend you, and the shop will spread organically without spending more money for ads or something like that. Another big issue is the customer journey. On a normal stores, before I buy a monitor, for example, on Amazon, I check out all the images and specs there, of course, but directly after this I will go to YouTube and check out some more videos about this product. And on the right side on YouTube I will directly see different other monitors and videos and all that stuff, or maybe another like funny video or something like that I want to watch. And like this people easily get distracted while they are like informing or getting some more infos about your products, and then like this they maybe don't come back because they found another product on YouTube or maybe some other things. And that's not only to YouTube, maybe they also Google about the product or your company, and then they see competitors and all that stuff. So what you really want to avoid is like that people, I don't know, leave your shop to like get some additional informations. But with the gamification we have in the virtual offices or in the virtual shopping mall, we can really hook people so they don't want to leave the experience, since they also in our shop will directly get all the informations which are needed to directly make a purchase. And that's the thing where you really should pay attention to, is like providing your clients all the informations they need to make this purchase, to answer all the questions, and also to build up as much trust as possible, because we live in hard times right now. There's war, there's some other things going on out there. People are scared, or they are more carefully basically with spending money, and only spend money when they have the trust in your company, in your product, and in your service basically. And that's also what we are already trying to build up with our virtual 3D offices, where we integrated like AI customer testimonials you can talk with and all that stuff. That's the same thing for e-commerce. You really need to think about ways how you can build up that trust there basically for your shop, that people actually make the purchase there. Now we are still making the final touches in this mall, but already I'm contacting previous customers where we work together with also with the Unreal Engine framework, so they can easily join our first mall. Of course, the space in the beginning will be limited, so if you also want to join the mall with your brand or store, then definitely let me know it, so I can easily and also quickly get you onboarded there basically. And especially in the early beginning, I will also cover all the hosting costs and monthly fees for this mall basically, so there only would be just a small setup fee to digitalize all your products in 3D models basically, and that we can like set up your store there basically. So if that sounds interesting and you want to try out something new to stand out from the crowd of your competitors, then definitely let me know it. And you can easily find my email here, or you can also easily book a meeting with me over the link in the description, where I can just give you a little roadshow through the mall, and where we can discuss how your store could look like in this mall. And I'm really looking forward hearing from you. And that's it for this video. Have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.